So my homeboy from back home said I needed to figure out what going on with your car, right? So here we are in Mexico doing 120 miles an hour. Yo! Man. Boy, out here looking like a wildebeest, man. Here we go. Much better. Yeah, what's going on with everybody? It's your boy Labasu back again with our next one. Hope everybody doing good. Hope everybody staying safe, sane, keeping your attention held on to and whatever. Today, we got a couple things to deal with. We don't deal with the most important thing. I had to go shave a little bit. I couldn't present myself to her looking like that there. I was looking a little too rough. Your boy been inside too long. But that ain't mean I gotta shake your check. So, deal with that. Next thing we need to deal with is all these leaves. It messing with me because I watched the past couple videos, and if you're messing with me, I know you're messing with I. So I'm gonna deal with this real quick. Then I'm gonna bring the Z back in, and then I'm gonna show you what's going on. This is much better. Alright, so let's get her back in. So if you can see, I finally painted. I didn't get to record too much of it because my tripod broke. I got out on the next one, but either way, do most of the work off camera. So now she finally purple. I still got to put a clear coat on it so it get all nice and shiny. But I decided I'm gonna put another coat on it to see if I could get a little bit darker. Like you see the shade right here. This is the shade when it's wet. Is that spider? See the shade difference here on the camera. So this is it wet and this is it dry. So I started painting it yesterday and it ended up raining. But I think the paint had dried like right before the rain had get on top of it. So ain't smudge it or anything like that, but it left some dimples in the paint. So I'm gonna just spray over it and add another coat before I put the clear on it. And I think I gotta put the clear on like within an hour of me putting the base coat on. So either way, I need to spray it again and put another coat so the clear can stick to it properly. Yeah, she finally one color. After all of this, I can probably let it sit for a couple of days, let it dry, and then I'm gonna put the engine bay back together. But I think while it's drying, I'm gonna go ahead and put the interior up from that car and this one. Either that to start to put the engine and stuff together, but I'm missing some parts still for it. I need to go ahead and I might do that today. Alright, so we're going for round 2 of this clear. First time I put it on, it didn't come out too good, but I'm gonna do it a lot lighter, put a little bit more time in between me putting in the coats and putting the second coat and third coat. I'll probably do maybe about 3 coats and then I'll call it George there. But let's go ahead and get started. So I was doing a time lapse, but yeah, we're not gonna talk about it. But first coat of clear is on and starting to get shiny. I got impatient and just sprayed like a bunch of extra clear coat on this part, and it's getting there. But yeah, I'm gonna wait a couple more minutes and then I'm gonna put another coat of clear on it, and then done. And then I'm gonna go through the harness and start wrapping that up, ordering connectors if I need them and stuff like that. I mean, I went through it already and I know I don't need anything, but I would really like to get like the pigtails, which is like the part of the harness that I'll show you when I get to that. But anyway, I'm gonna put like 2 more coats of clear on it and then call it George. I really don't need that much, and then I'm using acrylic clear coat too, so when it's done, it should be like really durable, so which is perfect because it's in the engine bay. So I'm going to put 2 more coats of clear on it, and then we'll be done with the engine bay finally, dude. Oh my god, dude, like this is the one thing that's been holding me back, because I could have had the engine in there, but well, thinking about it, if I did that, then the engine would be in the other one, and then I'd have to take the engine back out of that one and then put it in this one. And anyway, so everything happened for a reason, guys. So this is going ahead and sit for a couple of days. I'm going to go through everything else, prep everything, and do whatever else I can. I'm on a good roll, so I need to keep it going. I need to text Blake and see if he could bring the engine hoist over for me and get that all sorted. I need to go ahead and spend that $100 in bolts. Oh, it's gonna hurt, but I need to go ahead and do it. Okay, so I really need to get a tripod. That time lapse was a complete failure, but anyway, we got it done. Engine bay is purple now. I can let it sit, let it marinate, do its thing, and then we can stop putting the engine in. Crazy how things are getting with this coronavirus or COVID-19 or whatever you want to call it. People out of work, I'm one of them. Kids home from school, she's one of them. So I can't really get a job right now. I mean, if I do, then I'm not gonna have anything to do with her or the baby. He's inside sleeping. So we're gonna try to make this YouTube thing work. Trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. Y'all hit the like so I can get the video out to more people. Hit the subscribe button so I can get to that 1,000 subscribers. If y'all want to help me out, if you can, I know these are trying times, but if you can help me out, I got merch up on the website, royaltyonlinemall.com. Go ahead, cop your merch, join the Royalty fam. I'm gonna be doing some giveaways pretty soon as things start to level out and stable out and I can get a couple legal things done, but the giveaway is coming.
I choose the Royalty fam name.
Yes, you did. But that's about it for you. But that's about all I got for you guys for today. Engine bay is nice and done up now. I can go ahead and put the wiring harness in. That's gonna be the next video. Next video is gonna be marrying the engine to the transmission and putting it in the car. Yo, if you can't tell, I'm getting hyped thinking about it. But that's about it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Go copy the Royalty Gang merch. I'll see you guys in the next one.